Cartwheel luster is one of those terms that collectors hear all the time when people are talking about mint state coins. But hearing the term is not the same thing as knowing what to look for. A coin can be bright and still not show natural cartwheel luster. So, if a seller says a coin has great luster, what is it you're actually supposed to see? The definition of cartwheel luster is simply the rotating movement of light across the surface of a coin. The key is not just brightness. The key is whether the light travels across the coin in a moving pattern. Here's the same idea on a raw mint state Morgan dollar. On a Morgan, I watch the open fields, Liberty's cheek, and the way the light moves around the portrait. Then I check the reverse, because strong luster should not only be a one-angle trick. Now here's the part that many beginners can miss. Toning does not automatically mean the luster is gone. A toned Morgan can still show cartwheel luster if the light moves through the color instead of dying underneath it. The same thing can happen on a toned Libertad. The look is different, but the test is the same. Now, compare that with a cleaned Morgan. It may still be bright, but if the light looks flat, broken, smeared, or dead, that is not the same as natural cartwheel luster. This is not only a Morgan dollar lesson. A piece dollar can show the same problem. Here is the simple buyer test. Use one light and move the coin slowly. First, watch for rotating bands, not just a flash of brightness. Second, if the coin is toned, see whether the light still moves through the color. Third, slow down when the light looks flat, broken, or dead. This is strong cartwheel luster on a bright coin. This is the same movement on a raw mint state Morgan. And this is luster still moving through the toning. Before you buy into the word luster, make sure the coin actually shows you movement. Cartwheel luster is something the coin proves under light. Don't buy the story first. Buy the evidence.